How to adjust night glow floats for maximum sensitivity. Easy tips from a pro. Hey anglers! Tonight we're talking about night glow floats and how to get the best sensitivity from them. First off, I recommend hardtail day and night floats. After testing many types, I've found they are generally more sensitive than soft tail floats. There's also the type that changes color when the fish bites. For beginners, it's okay to try, but for experienced anglers, these can actually mess with your timing, making it harder to detect bites accurately. A key tip: always have the battery inside when adjusting the float. If you're worried about wasting battery, insert it backwards while setting up, then flip it correctly when it's dark. Works perfectly. Step 1. Adjust with the line. Attach a weight larger than the float's buoyancy. Cast it into the water. The float will sink completely. Push the float up until one mark is visible above the water. That distance from the floating tip to the sinker is your water depth. Step 2. Pull the float down. How far? Usually, 2 times your line length is enough. Some anglers prefer to pull down to the swivel ring for safety. This ensures your double hooks are fully off the bottom, which is crucial. Step 3. Trim the weight. Keep adjusting the weight until the float shows 3 marks above water. Hook your bait, cast again, the float will be pulled under by the bait's weight. Push it back up until 2 marks are visible. Now your float is set. 1. The hook rests on the bottom. 1 hook touches the bottom lightly, and the sinker is suspended. This is the ideal setup for sensitivity and bit detection at night. Summary: use hardtail day and night floats for best sensitivity. Avoid color changing bit floats if you want precise timing. Always adjust with the battery in or reversed if saving power. Follow the 3-step method: adjust with weight, pull float down, trim until float shows correct marks. End result: float is highly sensitive, ready for subtle bites. Follow this method and your night fishing will improve significantly. Tight lines and good catches.